Hello, my friends. In 2025, we will be attending two international exhibitions, the Guangzhou Professional Lighting Exhibition in Guangzhou. Here are the details. Date February 24 to 27, 2025. We will be also at the Prolight exhibition in Frankfurt, Germany. Date April 8 to 11, 2025. During the exhibitions, our lighting producer will offer the best rate for similar market products. Additionally, we will showcase our new products at the event, and we will provide the VIP exhibition service. We look forward to seeing you there. If you need any further assistance, reply to one. Thank you.